Okay, so this lesson is about differentiability, meaning from a graph, can you tell if it's possible to take the derivative or not? Okay, and the easiest way that I can think of to explain this is on these pictures. If this was a roller coaster, would you want to ride on it? Because if the answer is no, because of your personal safety, then that means it's not differentiable there. So let me show you a couple of these examples. So on this first one, this is what a corner would look like, right? Where it actually comes to a very direct point. Usually the lines that are leading into that point down there at the bottom are straight. And this would be considered continuous. Like I can draw it without picking up my pencil, but it's not differentiable. Differentiable. Okay, now a cusp is sort of similar to a corner, but it looks more like this where the curves come into that point. Okay, and again, that's the same thing as this in that it's continuous but not differentiable. All right, next is what's called a vertical tangent. So let me see if I can get this to draw. So if that's my graph, it looks like this where it's literally completely vertical, right? Again, if that was on a roller coaster, I wouldn't want to ride on it. This thing has a vertical tangent line at 0, at x equals 0. And just like the last two, it is continuous, but not differentiable. All right, I should move that up a little. There we go. And then lastly, if there's a discontinuity, right? So if this is my graph, and you've seen this graph many, many times before, right? If that was a roller coaster, I would not want to ride that. Okay, so this one is, it's not continuous, nor is it differentiable. Okay, neither one. All right, now for this next page, I considered doing this in the video, but I think we're going to do this one in class tomorrow. So what we're going to do on these, if you wanted to sort of think about it ahead of time, maybe give it a try, I'm not sure, but underneath each of these 6 graphs, we're going to answer all 3 of these questions. And again, we're going to do it in class. It's kind of an important lesson, and sometimes it's a little hard to do, and I would rather be able to point at it. So that's the whole lesson for tonight.